Cash Giraffe Referral rewards depend on the current offer shown inside the app, so the amount you receive can only be confirmed from your own referral section. By the end, you will know where to find the Cash Giraffe Referral bonus details, how referrals are usually tracked, and what to check before expecting a reward. Cash Giraffe includes referral features that allow users to invite other people through a personal referral link or code when the option is available. The referral area inside the app is the place to check the active bonus, requirements, and reward status connected to your account. The first step is opening Cash Giraffe and locating the referral section. This area should show the current invitation details available for your account. Since reward programs can change, the information inside the app is the most accurate source for your specific referral offer. The second step is understanding that sending a referral link does not always mean the reward is completed immediately. Referral systems usually require the invited user to complete certain actions before a bonus is added. Those requirements can include installing the app correctly, creating an account, or completing qualifying activity depending on the offer. To avoid missing a referral reward, make sure the person you invite uses your referral method correctly. If the referral is not connected to your account, the system may not recognize the activity. You should also check your referral history inside Cash Giraffe. This section can help you see whether an invitation was recorded and whether the reward is still pending or has already been processed. If a referral bonus does not appear, check that the app is updated, confirm that the referral was completed through your link or code, and review the offer conditions again. If the problem continues, contact Cash Giraffe support with details about the referral and the account activity involved. The value of the referral bonus depends on the offer available to you, so there is no single amount that applies to every user. Checking the app before inviting friends prevents confusion about what reward you should expect. The main points are simple. Cash Giraffe Referral bonuses are shown inside the app. Referrals may require specific completion steps, and tracking your referral status helps prevent missing rewards. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe, check the referral page, and review the current requirements before sharing your link. If this guide helped you understand Cash Giraffe referrals, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and fixes.